Hi, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms with my daughter, Johanna VanHoutan. So today our collaboration is going to be on our cookbook, and I would love for you guys to check that out below in the description. I'll also be making a playlist.
So today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies, and it's a recipe from our Cozy Christmas Baking at Hygge-Inspired Christmas. In a large bowl or mixer, cream the butter, 1 cup of butter at room temperature. Then add the sugar, beating until light and fluffy, 1½ cups of sugar. Add the 2 eggs, vanilla and milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of milk. Beat them together. Then scrape the sides and bottom with a spatula and beat again. In another bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Add to the wet mixture and blend well. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sounds okay. Take a handful of flour and dust a clean counter with it. Now plop half of the cookie dough onto this and sprinkle a little on top of the dough. Now gently roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thick, depending on how crunchy you like your cookies. Rolled a little thinner for a crispy tea cookie.
It was not that one.
Yeah, which one was that? Now get out your cookie cutters and call in the kids. It's about to get fun.
A huge dinosaur. I can eat you.
A huge dinosaur.
And like the I'm a squirrel monkey cookies. Like that.
Cut as many as you can, and then gather the scraps and incorporate them into the other half of dough and begin the process again. Good job. Good job. That works too. Now that you have a full sheet of cookies, pop them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. So I like to do 1 pan or 1 sheet full of thin crispy ones, and then the other one's a bit softer and thicker. And that's because the family is pretty evenly divided on which ones they like, so that way everyone's happy, and I like both, so it works out.
Joe?
Yes.
Yeah, that.
Well, no, because that's your dough. That's your dough, and this is the rest of the dough for cookies. Again, it depends on how you like your cookies. At 8 minutes, the tops are white, but if you carefully check the bottom, there will be golden brown patches. And at 10 minutes, the tops should look crispy, around the edges and much larger patches of golden brown goodness along the bottom. I love them both ways. After they have cooled, they're ready to frost. You're welcome.
It's like salt.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's like salt.
Oh, it is like salt. You know how to do this, remember? Like this. Here, I'll do this and then you sprinkle the candy cane. What? Do you like it?
The funnest part of frosting. Funnest part of making sugar cookies is frosting them and drinking coffee.
You know, I'd probably have to say It's a Wonderful Life too. I mean, it's one of those Christmas movies that's...
It's a classic.
It is. It's such a sweet, sweet story.
When she knows.
That is so exciting.
Mm-hmm.
That's huge.
What time is it, Johanna?
It's coffee time.
Coffee break. Sounds good to me. A little fresh cream and maple syrup in my coffee. Okay, I think it's time for the cookie now. Yeah, let's eat cookies, right?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you.
These are like one of my favorite Christmas cookies, just because my mom made them so much, like during the holidays. They just have such a cozy memory attached to them.
They are definitely a family favorite during the holidays.
So we're excited to show you the unboxing of the books today. And I just wanted to tell you guys, I couldn't have made this cookbook without my daughter. She's my book buddy. We just wrote together. We took the pictures together. So this book is completely a duo of mother and daughter, and it was an awesome experience.
It was unforgettable. It was.
Yes.
We know we can pump a cookbook out in 2 months.
Yeah, we worked on it nonstop, like literally nonstop for 2 months. And then it took about a month to get it all to the publishing and everything, but it was really exciting. And it was fun, and I think I'd do it again with you. What do you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think I do. It was a really awesome experience, and it's cool now because we have all these heirloom recipes.
All in one place. We don't have to dig through the recipe box every time we want to make something.
Yeah, and also, wasn't it fun this Thanksgiving?
It was.
It was so
super
fun. We just looked through the cookbook. We didn't have to dig through our recipe box or anything. It was just really cool. So, you want to
unbox?
Unbox?
Ooh, thank you.
Unbox for us.
Okay, here we go. All right.
Woohoo! Lots of books. So today our collaboration is going to be on our cookbook. I'm so excited. We finally have our real copies of the books, not just our proof copy. So it's really exciting. Feels so good just to have it here, and I'm really excited to do this collaboration today and just show you one of the recipes, the mini. There's 48 recipes total in this cookbook. It's not just recipes. There's an entire chapter on Cozy Christmas, just explaining how we enjoy hygge and the cozy art of living, and how we add that to Christmas season.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe.
And we make a new video every week on adventures in simple, cozy living, and food from scratch.
Where's Hook up? Thank you for watching me.